guys, Jim here for another video today. I didn't make a video on Wednesday because I didn't have time to make a video because I was in a vlog. But during the end of Wales, I had buy this. Yeah, it's Airbus or Eurocopter. So yeah, Ambulance Knockout. And by Candy Toys, I don't know, it's so blurry, you can't see it. You can see that white writing or something. You can see some ambulance or whatever they are, whatever, but I'm going to show you something that's really creepy on my helicopter. It's nothing but the sounds on this. And you might hear it. Jeez. Did you hear that, guys? I don't know. I don't know if it's low battery here, or maybe it's sound effect, or maybe, but I don't know. But you might hear it again. It also spins as well all the time. It's like a regular helicopter that spins. Obviously, it just spins. I just put it here as a collection from Wales and Spitfire. So yeah. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you today. Some creepy music from this helicopter. So yeah, and I will subscribe, leave a like, and comment below if you all have done them things. And I will give you a shout if you had subscribed and liked. And I will see you later for another video. Goodbye.